So here's a problem that might look tricky, but there's some simple steps that few smart steps take it to the next level. So let's solve it together step by step with a clear explanation. So find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So there are many methods to solve this, but we are going to use the arithmetic progression method formula for that, where the an is the formula an a plus n minus 1 into d. An is the last term number, that is 0 and 50 in between. So last term is 49. A is the first term. After 0, the first odd number is 1. And n we have to find. And the difference of odd term is, if 3 minus 1 will take 2. Again, the next will, if we take 5 minus 3, it's 2. So D is 2. So 49 is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 2. 49 minus 1 is equals to 2n minus 2. 49 minus 1 is 48 plus 2 is equals to 2n. That is 50 is equals to 2n. 50 by 2 is equals to n. So the number of terms is 50. Now we have to find sum. So we will use another formula of Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of number of terms, so sum of 50 terms is 50 by 2, and in bracket 2 times 1 plus 50 minus 1 times 2. So S50 is equals to 25. 2 plus 50 minus 1 is 49. And 49 times 2 is 98. So S50 is equals to 25 times 100. So sum of these 50 terms is 2500. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Thanks for watching and keep solving with confidence.